As a part of this video, we will be discussing about BAN5013-2W4A, which deals with writing Python code. Okay, so two tasks were allocated to you, and it is very important that we install. See, make sure you install Anaconda. If your system don't support for this installing this software, I will at the end of the video I will suggest you some other instructions where we can use online sources to create the application code and execute it. Okay, so but it is very important that we install this one. Okay, because physical installation of this software and usage helps us to create better code, and we can use many options. Okay, when we use online sources, they will be having some limited options. Initially, for generating basic code, they will be supporting, but when we write some complex code, what happens is the application usage will become very difficult. Okay, so make sure you try to install Anaconda software following this video. So it definitely helps you to like it clearly shows the video clearly shows what are the steps that we have to follow to install the Anaconda software. Okay, so this is very important. In both the tasks, this link will be shown. Once you install it, next time no need not to install it. Okay, so but because somebody might be allocated only one task, for that reason we included it in the both files. Okay, supporting links files is added in both the codes. So coming to the task, an Excel sheet is given, which consists of there are two different Excel sheets. One is Pokemon CSV, second one is movie rating CS. Okay, this sheet consists of some Excel data. You can open it using Excel, and you can check like what kind of columns are there, what kind of data is added to that regarding this task, introduction to pandas. Okay, the way we use different packages in R, similarly, pandas is one of the important packages that we use to generate graphs and analytics, visual designs. To create visual designs, we use pandas. Okay, so a 24-minute video is given to you. So after installation, you will be having a Jupyter application available in Anaconda. Using that application, what you will do, you follow this video. So 24-minute video is given, is very clearly step-by-step explanation will be given. Okay, so just follow that application, that video, and finish the task. And after completing all the tasks, and on the Jupyter, go to Files, File option, and the available options, select download as and download HTML file and submit that file as a document we will be sharing it. Okay, so that is the document you will be sharing. That is the final document you will be sharing. Here in this video, when you start working on it, they will give a lot of comments like this. Here they give a lot of comments. Whatever the comments they give, we have to give our own comments. You will understand. Like whenever the content is in green color, that is what we call a comment. So, for example, this recording mapping new features. This you can write in your own way. Okay, indexing and subnetting data. This maybe like we can write as for example, the next step we will be creating an indexing and subnetting. In that way, you can change like the one that is not code. So when you start writing, you will understand. Oh, like one that contains in, wherever the tab that consists of in, that contains code. Okay. Out is when we executed that code, whatever the outcome we received, that is out. Say for example here, for example, this is from future import division. Okay. So again, here it is given import fundas. This is not code. This is code. Okay. So later this is import fundas as PD. This is code again. Next, creating a data frame like R language. DF is equal to PD dot data frame. In that language, we used it in a different format. Here we are creating a data frame. So when you use this one, so it will create a DF, and to display, we are taking when we print DF, it discloses whatever the values that it contains. Next, like when we execute all these codes, we will get out function. Here we don't see any out function because this is all the code that is included. Okay. So, and whatever the content that is not in tab or out tab, that is what we call a comment, because it's we are using a document kind of thing. So this is how it will be. Like otherwise, if we write a script kind of thing, we will be using hash to write comments. Okay. Here straight away it is given as like. So you just cross check with that one. You are supposed to change these details. And you can also give your own values when they are creating it. You can give your own values. You not require that. You are supposed to give exact values. First, try with exact values because sometimes we may make mistake, right? So to avoid that, first give exact values, understand how it is done, then give your own values and execute that. Okay, so that helps you to like understand how the code is working when you give different values. Next here, if you cross check, movie ratings data is read from the like system. So we are including Excel sheet and we are passing it into the moving ratings. Then there are some couple of steps that will be used to execute the code. Code will be same. So comments like whatever the dark color like bolded comments are there that you are supposed to update. Okay, so uh, using if you are not able to understand this one, try to search in YouTube using Jupyter, Jupyter, Jupyter Basics. Okay, using Jupyter Basics, and you can find some information which helps you to understand how to include a line, how to include a new line, and how to execute that one. Some basics you can understand. Okay, so here this guy gave like complete code at initial stage. So he didn't give how to include here. Like when you press plus symbol, you will get a new tab where you can add some code. Again, you can add some kind of content by using some other options in the list. Okay, you can cross check. Please try to cross check using Jupyter Basics, how to write a code from scratch. Okay, scrap. So it will definitely help you. Okay. So this is all about the first task. Second task is also same. It consists of a 1 hour programming content. This is first one, right? Second one. This contains Pokemon data and it consists of a video that consists of 60 minutes video. So try to execute code as it is given in the YouTube link. So let me check. I haven't cross-checked these videos. So whether it contains any, this guy clearly explains it. This is also basics. So this hashtag is there, right? They are comments inside the input. Okay. These we call headings. So this guy continuously type it and he helps you to understand how things are changing when we are changing column values, when we are changing the options. Okay. So just follow this video and fix it. Okay. This is all like you can finish when you install successfully Anaconda software and you install Jupyter on that and when you are using it. Okay. So if your system does not support Anaconda, try this one. There is an option called Google Colab. Okay. So use this one. Like as you are a Google user, you have a Gmail, right? So you can register to Colab and follow this video first. Okay, this is a tutorial for beginners, a 30-minute video. Just try that one. Once it is done, try to use Google Colab, Python, CSV. So it shows some examples where you can include uploading a CSV file and using it. Okay, so maybe use this video. So this video helps you, makes you understand how data can be imported to Google Colab and how we can use it because this contains folders. From this folder, we are supposed to like when we upload the document or like whatever the Excel sheet that is given movies rating or a Pokemon rating that will be loaded onto this folder and it will be utilized in the document. Here you need not to install anything straight away. If you say NumPy, all the packages are already installed on Google Colab. you can straight away use them by using these commands, import numpy as np, something like that. So this is the easy way to use this Jupyter software on Google Colab. Okay, so this is all about two tasks. Try to help yourself. Use like YouTube resources to understand the concept and fix them. So the code that is given in the videos contains zero errors. So if some mistake happened, write it from the starting. Okay. So definitely it not contains any errors in the document. So whatever the videos that are given, because they are executed things and that are shown to you. So make sure you help yourself and fix them properly. All right. So that's it from my side. All the best.